Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to International Conference on Research in Communication and Media. Welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for kindly watch my presentation video. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. I have completely my bachelor in master degree at University of Communication Department on Muhammadiyah Jakarta. Now I am currently working as lecturer in communication science study program on Department Public Relations. So today I will present my presentation about synergy model of community empowerment of the Pramuka Islands in Kepulauan Seribu in the management of coastal areas based on the women's community. Background the research, the location of Pramuka Islands in the Kepulauan Seribu area is supported by islands that are adjacent to one another with different character and function. Pramuka Islands is also in the Kepulauan Seribu National Park Conservation Area. Pramuka Islands is strategically located to develop themselves into a center for natural tourism activities, educational tours, and culture tours. Planning strategy for collaboration between stakeholders and local women communities. There are research purposes to find out form of local potential management programs in the context of community empowerment on Pramuka Islands, Kepulauan Seribu. The role of stakeholders in supporting the women's facing community in the context of community empowerment on Pramuka Islands, Kepulauan Seribu. The form of synergy carried out by the government and women's communities and Pramuka Islands, Kepulauan Seribu. Synergy model of community empowerment of the Pramuka Islands, Kepulauan Seribu, the management of coastal area base and the women community. There is a framework research. Okay, you can community empowerment on Pramuka Islands is the theory can I will use community empowerment, women empowerment, stakeholder, human development based on gender, synergy, and partnership. I have methodology to the research, descriptive, qualitative, the paradigm, in-depth interview, and triangulation. Partnership process, policy and program, output synergy models. Methodology, the research method use a descriptive qualitative approach conducted in the period from February to May 2021. The research location is on Pramuka Islands, Thousand Islands, Jakarta. Research object, the subject or respondent in the study were women driving economic independence, coastal, local entrepreneurship, residents associated with stakeholders, and Pramuka Islands, Kepulauan Seribu. Data collection technique use data collection technique in the form of documentation of literature studies and in-depth interview with stakeholders and fishermen, coastal, women community, as well as observers of community leaders as input in the supporting the completeness of the research results. Data analysis technique use qualitative data analysis technique. Qualitative is carried out the empirical, the obtained is qualitative in the form of collection of tangible words. Research result is synergy in local potential of coastal area management, stakeholders, cooperation, government and partner role, opportunities and challenges of maritime countries. And my research in models, there is synergy models, partnership, stakeholder, Department of Industry, Department of Security, NGO, university, Kampung Bestari Astra, external and internal of involvement and community involvement synergy. The research result is a model, synergy model of community involvement of the Pramuka Island in Kepulauan Seribu in the management of coastal area based on the women community. There is a self-coaching through socialization, the activity in the community to use activity shared cultivation, coaching through socialization, user product management and training to trainer, public speaking, Instagram class, research ecological function of coastal area and oceans together with shares, mangrove and coral reef communities. And then for program pillars, education, entrepreneurs, share environment and health. Okay, Navigation together with female driver campaign for the importance of maintaining coral reefs in. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. And I have any question, you can happy to answer them. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.